Hi, I'm John with Logan Homes. Today I want to talk about bleeding the air out of the line for your fireplace. In the beginning of the season, you will have air in the line. The first time you turn it on, it may not ignite right away. Everything is handled at the switch. No need to go to the fireplace itself. At the fireplace switch, you turn it on. It will tick. You'll hear a slight ticking for about 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, it'll shut off. What you need to do is shut off the switch, turn it back on. It resets that ticking and gets the air out of the line. 2-3 tries, you should be good to go.